Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add fade out in Filmora application. So let's get started with the video. First of all, launch open the Filmora application from your app drawer. Go ahead and open up a new project or open up an existing project you would like to work on with. You will be able to see your video clip on the timeline. Select your clip from the timeline and go to the bottom of the screen. Click on Animation from the tools at the bottom. Now inside the In tab, you can go ahead and apply fade in effects to your clip. You will be able to find the preset motion options. Select one of the options that is suitable for your video. Select one of the fade in option that you'd like to apply to your video. Now go to Out option and select one of the fade out option, and you can now go ahead and play your video to see if it works. After you apply the effect, don't forget to increase or decrease the intensity of the fade in and fade out effect that you chose by dragging the slider at the bottom of the screen. Adjust it according to your preference and then click on the tick mark at the top right corner. After you are done, make any other necessary edits if you wish, and then click on the export button at the top right corner. Select your export option, and that is how you will be able to add fade out in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.